3, 2, 1.
Many species use their body shape and coloration to avoid what? The answer is B. Detection by predators. What atoms does the molecule of ice consist of? The answer is B. 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. What is the main problem in both types of diabetes? The answer is C. Insulin production. The bond between the 2 nitrogen atoms is a what? The answer is B. Triple bond. Which kitchen tool is used for flipping food in a pan? The answer is A. Tongs. What was the name of the man in the Buffy series who ran the Runaway Center, which in reality was a demon dimension where runaways worked until they were too old to be useful? The answer is C. Ken. Who played the role of Dr. Hannibal Lecter in Silence of the Lambs? The answer is B. Anthony Hopkins. Gravity is a measurable force of attraction which acts upon objects. Which characteristic determines the gravity of an object? The answer is B. Mass. Who broke the 100m record in Tokyo Olympics 2021? The answer is D. USA. Common disease of what system include asthma, pneumonia, and emphysema? The answer is A. The respiratory system. The indigenous Taino inhabitants of Jamaica named the island Xaymaca. What does this word mean? The answer is B. Land of wood and water. What school supply contains paper? The answer is C. Notebook. Given a series where each term is obtained by multiplying the 2 preceding terms, 1, 2, 4, x, 32, what is x? The answer is C. 10. Which container is used for storing leftovers in the fridge? The answer is D. Container. Which U.S. president loved to cook and developed a recipe for vegetable soup? The answer is B. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Which cell type produces insulin? The answer is D. Pancreas. Which tech company owns Oculus VR, the maker of virtual reality headsets? The answer is D. Facebook. Who discovered Freud's unconscious mind theory? The answer is A. Sigmund Freud. What is the common name for a device that chops and minces food? The answer is D. Food processor. What year did Alfred Hitchcock become a U.S. citizen? The answer is B, 1956. What is the study of energy and how it interacts with matter? The answer is C, physics. What type of footwear is commonly referred to as kicks or sneakers? The answer is D, sneakers. What does the Greek word beta omicron eta theta epsilon iota alpha voithia mean in English? The answer is A, help. What is it called when feces move along the colon too slowly? The answer is C, constipation. What is the basic unit of structure and function in muscle tissue? The answer is B, sarcomere. How many valence electrons does nitrogen have? The answer is B, 5. What is the compound non-Cl commonly called? The answer is C, salt. Which of the following reasons would an angler fish use a light? The answer is D, attracting sardines. What is the term for a list of places to visit on a journey? The answer is B, itinerary. Which country is known as the Swiss of Africa? The answer is A, Eswatini. What school supply helps you draw circles and arcs? The answer is B, compass. On the TV show The White Shadow, the coach was cut from which NBA team? The answer is D, Chicago Bulls. What actor said the popular line "Mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get" in an Oscar-winning 1994 movie? The answer is A, Tom Hanks. What does DSD stand for? The answer is A, daylight saving time. Who wrote the collection of stories titled The Canterbury Tales? The answer is D, Geoffrey Chaucer. Which fruit is also known as king of fruits? The answer is B, mango. What do you call the force a machine applies to an object? The answer is B, output force. What is the first version of Windows called? The answer is B, Windows 2.0. When were the 107 episodes of the American sitcom My Favorite Martian first aired? The answer is C, in the 1960s. Which fashion designer is known for his new look that emphasized women's curves? The answer is D, Christian Dior D. What resources can be used over again? The answer is C, sustainable. The lungs perform gas exchange using air and what fluid, which is coming and going from the heart? The answer is D, blood. What is the creature that guard the entrance to Olympus in Greek mythology? The answer is D, Sphinx. What is the heaviest object ever lifted by a magnet? The answer is D, 15 tons. In Roman mythology, the god Volturnus was associated with which of the following? The answer is B, water. Which of these colors has the following connotations? Warning, fall, warmth, hope, summer, electricity. The answer is B, yellow. Which of these is not an official language of the United Nations? The answer is C, Dutch. In the context of construction, how long is a 2D nail? The answer is A, 1 inch. What is the English translation of the Spanish word panadero? The answer is A, baker. For a class project, students converted the daily temperatures for the past month from Fahrenheit to Celsius. What is the clearest way for the students to present the information?